Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing, specifically an app called Spaceship. Now, Spaceship has become a popular platform, especially for younger folks looking to explore US stocks. But what happens if you get stuck in an investing black hole and need help? Maybe you have a question about fees, portfolio performance, or just want to chat about a specific investment. Fear not, intrepid space travelers, because today we're tackling how to contact Spaceship directly. Why might you need to contact Spaceship? There are a bunch of reasons why you might reach out to Spaceship's support team. Here are a few common scenarios. You're a new investor and have questions about how the platform works. You're unsure about a specific investment or want to understand your portfolio allocation better. You're encountering technical difficulties with the app. You need help making changes to your investment plan. You simply have a general question and want some clarification. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question in the world of investing. If something's unclear, getting in touch with Spaceship's support team is the best way to ensure you're on the right track. Spaceship's contact arsenal: 3 ways to reach for help. Alright, so you need to contact Spaceship. Here are the 3 main ways you can do it. 1. Spaceship support website and FAQs. This is a great first stop for many people. Spaceship has a comprehensive support center on their website, invalid URL removed.o. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of information, including FAQs, frequently asked questions, that cover a wide range of topics. Whether you're wondering about fees, account minimums, or changing your investment strategy, chances are the answer might already be there waiting for you. Plus, the website is searchable, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. 2. Contacting Spaceship via email. If your question requires a more personalized response or the FAQs don't quite hit the nail on the head, then emailing Spaceship's support team might be the way to go. Their email address is help@spaceship.com.au. Just be sure to craft a clear and concise email that outlines your question or concern. The more information you can provide, the better Spaceship's team will be able to assist you. 3. Calling Spaceship's support line. Sometimes, you just need to chat with a real person. Luckily, Spaceship offers phone support for those who prefer a voice-to-voice conversation. The number is 1-300-049-532, and their support team is available Monday to Friday, between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Sydney time. Just keep in mind that during peak hours, there might be a wait to speak with a representative. Bonus tip: in-app chat. Did you know Spaceship also offers an in-app chat function? This can be a super convenient option if you're already using the app and have a quick question. To access the in-app chat, simply open the Spaceship app, tap on the menu section, navigate to Help, and then select Message Us. This will connect you directly with a Spaceship support representative within the app. Remember, patience is a virtue. No matter which method you choose, it's important to remember that Spaceship's support team might experience high volumes of inquiries, especially during market fluctuations or times of increased interest in investing. So, be patient and understanding if there's a slight delay in getting a response. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.